So I don't think we're going to see the two tools working. This little fella just hasn't got enough puff. I think I might try it again, see it runs fine without it. I might try it again with a better wicked lamp. Might improve the burning. It needs a good old flame under this, but to be honest, there's just not enough power in that little engine unit, not enough weight of a flywheel to keep things turning over to give it enough to turn this little lock here, which is a shame really, because it would have looked nice, but still worth a try. So I might try again with another steaming with a better wick lamp and see how it goes. I mean, it's only a 2-wick lamp, it's such a short boiler, you couldn't put a 3-wick lamp under there, it would be too much for it. But the engine itself is steaming fine, but I think it just needs that extra little bit of oomph to really push out the steam, to give it more power at the piston to try and overcome the lack of inertia in that very light setup disc crank and pulley. I'll just try this little fella back on here again, but let's just pop him on. No. But as I always say, you get the idea.